Okay, so, Mami, can you tell us a bit about what you are doing here? And I know it's a weekend, public holiday. This is what, Easter Monday, the 31st of March 2024. So you are making a fire here. Tell me about it.
Well, I want to cook some chicken, kumu, ibika, banana with the stones. So now I'm eating up the stones.
You are heating up the stone, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great.
So later, when the stones are hot, like very, very hot,
Yeah.
then I will cook.
Okay. So what do we have here?
We have banana, ginger, garlic, pipit, chicken, carrot, onion, and Maggi cube.
So what you gonna do with them now? Or how do you intend to cook it?
I'll cook it in the stone in the pot. So my stones are already ready, and now I'll put the stone in the big pot, then chicken and all these things inside, and I'll cook them. When all these are done, cooked, I'll add in the kumu, ibika. Okay, in Papua New Guinea, this type of cooking is from another part of PNG, Papua New Guinea, East New Britain province.
Oh, okay.
They call it Aigir.
Okay, so can you explain a little bit about Aigir? What is Aigir and how do you prepare Aigir?
Okay, Aigir, it's normally done by cooking the food in a big pot using stones and coconut milk.
What kind of stone? Any kind of rock or what?
It's cooked in its own type of rock.
So what you're saying is that the rock here that you have placed on the fire, that is the one that you will use, huh?
Yeah.
So you will take out the hot stone and then place it in the pot here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So that's a bit interesting. Okay. So, Mommy, what you gonna do now? You taking the stone now, huh?
Yeah.
And then you placing it in the water.
And then it becomes.
And then you put it in the pot, huh? So that's the first stage now. First stage of cooking. So it's very hot there. So normally these rocks here, you take them from the river?
Yes.
So it's not any type of rock that we just pick up from the road or from anywhere and then come and heat it up. Why is that? Is there any reason?
Because other rocks eat it with ground.
Ah, all right. Thank you. As you can see, the hot stone has been washed and it's now placed in the pot. And the next stage now is putting all the food stuff. So as you can see, the chicken is being added onto the pot, and the stone is now causing the heat to cook the chicken, and the steam is rising up, and this is what they call Aigir. That's what the people of East New Britain province, that's how they cook their food in this method. So after the chicken is placed Then also there are what? Vegetables too, mommy? We put some vegetables in there for cooking. And then you'll add some coconut cream. So the heat is rising up and we are racing against time. So we'll try to put everything in quickly as soon as possible. And then close up the lid on the pot and let it cook. For how long, mommy, would it take? How long would it take?
15 minutes.
15 minutes? Man, that's too fast here.
Yeah, because it's hot, stone.
So what do you pour in now?
Coconut milk.
That's coconut milk, huh? Did you buy it in the store or
Market.
where did you get it? You bought it from the market, huh? Hey. And what other ingredients are you going to put in there?
Aigir and negative.
Okay. Oh, this is great. Looks really nice. So as you can see, all the food is being placed into the pot. And the pot is now boiling. You can hear the sound. The steam is coming out. And it will take about 20 to 25 minutes for the food to be cooked. And then once the food is cooked, everybody can enjoy. So this is what Aigir is all about. The different type of ways and methods of doing Aigir, but this is a modern version of Aigir. So there you have it. This is the PNG style. Oh, so now it's boiling. Oh man, this is great. All right, thanks.